Chewy Coconut Cookies Recipe, the ultimate treat for coconut lovers. If you're craving a sweet, chewy, and coconut-packed cookie, then look no further. This Chewy Coconut Cookies recipe is the perfect combination of texture and flavor, offering a delightful crunch on the outside and a soft, chewy center filled with rich coconut goodness. Whether you're preparing a snack for yourself or baking a treat for your family, these cookies will leave everyone coming back for more. Let's dive into this irresistible recipe that's sure to become a family favorite. Why you'll love these coconut cookies. These chewy coconut cookies are more than just a simple dessert. They are an experience. The flaked coconut adds a wonderful chewy texture that pairs perfectly with the golden brown exterior. Not only are these cookies easy to make, but they're also packed with flavor that will satisfy both coconut lovers and those with a sweet tooth alike. With just a few simple ingredients, you can bake up to 36 delicious cookies in less than 30 minutes, making it an ideal treat for both beginners and seasoned bakers. Plus, the added bonus of coconut gives these cookies a tropical flair that's sure to brighten up your day. Prep time and cooking time. Prep time, 20 minutes. Cook time, 10 minutes. Total time, 30 minutes. Servings, 36 cookies. Yield, 3 dozen. Ingredients you'll need. Gather these common pantry ingredients to get started on your coconut cookie adventure. 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup butter, softened, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 1/3 cups flaked coconut. Directions, step by step to coconut cookie perfection. Preheat the oven. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line your cookie sheets with parchment paper or leave them ungreased. Either works fine. Mix dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, combine flour, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them together well. Then set aside for later. Cream butter and sugars. In a large bowl, use an electric mixer to beat butter, brown sugar, and white sugar until the mixture is smooth and creamy. This will create the base for your cookies. Add egg and vanilla. Add in the egg and vanilla extract to the butter mixture. Continue beating until the dough is light and fluffy. The egg and vanilla help bind everything together and enhance the flavor. Combine dry ingredients. Gradually blend the dry flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Stir gently until everything is well incorporated, being careful not to overmix. Fold in coconut. Add the flaked coconut into the cookie dough. Stir until the coconut is evenly distributed throughout the dough. This is the magic ingredient that gives these cookies their chewy, tropical texture. Shape the cookies. Drop rounded teaspoonfuls of the dough onto ungreased cookie sheets, making sure to space them about 3 inches apart. The cookies will spread a little while baking, so this spacing will help them bake evenly. Bake. Place the cookie sheets in the preheated oven. Bake the cookies for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until they're golden brown on the edges. The center should still be soft. Cool the cookies. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This will allow the cookies to firm up and hold their chewy texture. Enjoy. Once the cookies are fully cooled, it's time to dig in. Serve them with a warm cup of tea or coffee for the perfect treat. Nutritional information. These coconut cookies not only taste great, but are also relatively low in calories. Here's a quick glance at the nutritional facts per serving. 1 cookie. Calories, 75. Total fat, 4g, 4% DV. Saturated fat, 2g, 12% DV. Cholesterol, 12 milligrams, 4% DV. Sodium, 63 milligrams, 3% DV. Total carbohydrate, 11g, 4% DV. Dietary fiber, 0g, 1% DV. Total sugars, 7g. Protein, 1g 1% DV, calcium 5 milligrams 0% DV, iron 0 milligrams 2% DV, potassium 21 milligrams 0% DV. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Your actual daily values may vary depending on your specific nutritional needs. A perfect treat for every occasion. These chewy coconut cookies are incredibly versatile, making them perfect for a variety of occasions. Whether you're planning a bake sale, hosting a gathering, or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon at home, these cookies will definitely please the crowd. They also make great gifts. Package them in a cute jar or box for a thoughtful homemade present. If you love coconut, this recipe will quickly become a favorite in your collection. The combination of sweet and chewy coconut with a slightly crisp golden edge is simply irresistible. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious cookie recipe, this chewy coconut cookie recipe is the one for you. With just a handful of ingredients and a short baking time, you can enjoy a sweet, satisfying treat that's perfect for any occasion. So, grab your apron, preheat the oven, and let's get baking. Once you try these cookies, you'll understand why they're the perfect snack for coconut lovers and anyone who appreciates a great homemade cookie. Enjoy your chewy coconut cookies, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Happy baking!